Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. High heat stresses air conditioners, energy grid. Technicians, utilities warn against setting thermostats too low. Fans and air conditioners were working overtime Monday in New Hampshire as temperatures reached the 90s, and the struggle to stay cool is putting a big demand on the energy grid. Utility companies are warning customers that the cost of electricity is at its highest right now, but experts said little changes can yield big savings on utility bills and limit the need for HVAC services. Steve Labby of Paradigm Plumbing, Heating, and AC said he's running 7 crews straight out right now. And if you need service, you'll have to pay overtime rates. He said the better strategy is to be smart about your thermos. A lot of people freeze up these units, he said. They go, we are going to put it at 60. What happens is the units can't handle that, and they freeze up. So we will come to a unit that is all frozen up. Labby said if you see frost on the fragment line outside your house on the coil, you need to let the unit thaw before turning it back on. You are not going to get any cooler if you put it to 65. That's a big thing, he said. He said air conditioners should be set no lower than 68 degrees to avoid freezing. Utility officials said turning the thermostat up a few degrees more can lead to significant savings. It's not what you want to hear, but keep that AC set as warm as you possibly can, said William Hickley of Eversource. You can save 1 to 3% on your energy costs for every degree higher you have that AC set. The message is to be safe but smart about your energy use when it's this hot. On the hottest days of summer, electricity actually costs more than it does at night or on cooler days of the summer, said Alec O'Mara of Unitil. The U.S. Department of Energy recommends keeping thermostat set at 78 degrees during the summer and 68 degrees in the winter to balance comfort and savings. HVAC companies also warn that there are supply chain delays for air conditioner parts. They're advising their customers to put in a window unit because they can't guarantee when the parts will be in for house units. And that does it for this news report right here on the Riley King Network. I'm Riley King for the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this morning news report, and have a great rest of your day. See you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.